So home trails, this new piece is something I helped do actually. So I helped place that one. I didn't actually build it, I just helped place it. Oh, that's pretty cool. Now, oh, you can actually ride on this. Okay, all right. It comes in right in line. Okay, so now after that wooden feature, this is the new section. Oh, and this new feature is only cumbersome because it's got a nice turn right before it. You just line yourself up and get up on it. No big deal. I see people have been going around, but that's okay. And then this links right up with the other. Oh, greetings, people's folks on Space Aliens. Oh, what a fall. I'm back up on the home trails, and I came up here because there's a new section that Pathfinder built. And I'm not sure exactly where it is, but I am seeing some signs of activity. So, okay, so it's actually right here. I'm gonna roll through this and see what it's like. First time. Oh, they redid this. Nice. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is really nice. Wow. They've completely redid this. A little loose. Oh, I got something in my eye. Oh, this is awesome. I want to send this again. Okay, here is. Okay, so that's a drop. Wow. Yeah, I think I might run that again. That's pretty awesome. If I run it again, I just have to go this way. Okay, here we go. A little bit faster. Yeah, that's really nice. I gotta get more speed. They're all sendable. They're so sendable. A little scary, but not too bad. If you got an FS rig. Oh my gosh. Woo! Yeah, I'm gonna send that again. I'm gonna crank it way up, see if I can get everything. Now that I know what's going on here, I think getting everything is a piece of cake. Oh, nope, not quite. It's tough, but it's fun. Yeah, I'm not quite there yet. But this is a super blast to ride. Start off like this. Once I get down here, past this rock garden, shift down, and then just go. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. I cleared this last one. This is tough. Right here. Getting the right amount of speed. No, I'm casing it. Whew. I think I'm gonna go this way. Well, that was pretty awesome. I don't feel like I'm getting the right amount of speed, but at least I'm getting somewhere.